Today's wine text is the 2017 Seabold Cellars Pelio Vineyard Chardonnay. I know what you guys are thinking. We just did the Seabold Cellars Chardonnay before, but this is an exceptional opportunity to really taste the differences between two extremely different vineyards within Northern California, and that's kind of why we're doing this. If you love Chardonnay, you'll love this wine just as much as the other, but I'm finding that these two vineyard sites, actually digging deeper into them, that the actual profiles of the wine are going to be significantly different. Well, you think of the Olson Winery being it's still a cooler climate in Northern California. I think that this area in the Pelio Vineyard is much cooler. This is much more coastal and much more higher altitude. They only record only a handful of days over 80 degrees, which is really rare for California white wines. You're gonna have it much more minerally, a little bit of this kind of salinity, almost a salty chalkiness, because this whole vineyard used to be under the ocean millions and millions of years ago. You get a lot of that kind of sea ground, a lot of the old shells and fossilized kind of creatures under there that give this natural minerality to the wine. It's very similar to the styles of wine that they make in Northern Burgundy in the region Chablis, where they don't oak the wines, they don't have an influence of oak, and you get a much more minerally and crisp style of white wine. These are perfect for oysters, perfect for raw fish of any kind, or anything that's light will go really well with this Chardonnay, where I think other Chardonnays that use oak need something a little bit heavier to go with them. Both the wines are made exactly the same, so the expression of the vineyard is going to be the difference in flavor. The Olson's going to have a little bit more of that golden apple ripeness, while the Pelio Vineyard is going to be much more of that minerally kind of almost salty style Chardonnay. Two really good examples of Chardonnay, but I think this one is definitely going to gear towards the old world drinker, while the other one is geared towards the new world drinker. Really cool stuff. I hope you guys get to try them side by side and let us know the differences between the two wines. Enjoy.